Hello and welcome. You are watching India Today So South and I am Afreen Hussain. In a shocking incident, the Bengaluru Railway Police have seized thousands of kgs of suspected dog meat from the Majestic Railway Station, sparking widespread outrage. It is alleged that the suspected meat has been supplied from Rajasthan to Bengaluru. The controversy erupted when Hindu activists under the leadership of Rashtra Rakshana Pade President Puneet Kerehalli conducted a raid on a meat supply chain at a railway station in Bengaluru. According to reports, they found meat parcels containing unusually long animal tails, which raised serious suspicions about the meat's origin. A total of 90 boxes of meat weighing 4,500 kg arrived from Rajasthan by train. Hindu activists who had previously raised concerns about the origin of the meat demanded that the boxes be opened for inspection. However, the merchant who brought the meat refused to allow further inspection, sparking a heated argument. The situation escalated as traders who supply mutton to the city joined the argument, fearing that opening the remaining boxes would harm their business. The tension between the two sides reached a boiling point with neither side willing to back down. According to police, the meat boxes belong to meat trader Abdul Razak. For the past year, mutton meat has been selling for over 700 per kilogram in Bengaluru. However, some traders, including Abdul Razak, have been selling meat at a significantly lower price of 400 rupees per kilogram. Muslim traders suspected this meat might not be mutton, leading to an investigation. While Abdul Razak claimed to have a license to supply mutton, the meat's origin remains unclear. Laboratory testing will determine whether the seized meat is dog meat or mutton. As of now, the Food Safety Department has inspected the site, taken samples from 5 boxes, and sent them for laboratory testing. The report is expected within 14 days. Local traders claim that the meat is slaughtered in Rajasthan, packed, and sent to Bengaluru via the Jaipur Express train. The incident has raised questions about the meat supply chain in Bengaluru. Local traders claim that 12,000 kilograms of mutton are supplied from Rajasthan every week, with the meat being cleaned, cut, and sold at a low price to restaurants, food shops, and hotels. The authenticity of this meat is now under scrutiny. What do you think of this incident? Is it a case of dog meat being sold in the name of mutton, or do you think this is a move by Hindu activists to take a jibe at Muslim meat traders in the city? Whatever is your opinion, let us know in the comment section below. Until then, this is Afreen Hussain, and you are watching India Today So South.